The GreenStalk vertical planter was created with water in mind. Simply use a hose with good pressure to fill the top water reservoir until it fills to the top, or until you start to see water draining out of the lowest tier, whatever comes first. The patented system begins distributing water to the tiers below once the water flows past the center funnel in the top water reservoir. The gray disc between each tier will drip water to each of the tier's 6 pockets. Any excess water will drain through the large holes in the planter and drain to each tier below until it finally drains out of the bottom. If you have a GreenStalk base, you will see the excess water drain out of the side hole in the base. If you do not have a GreenStalk base, you will see the water drain out of the planter itself. The planter's feet allow the excess water to drain. Check the potting mix to make sure it is moist after watering. If the soil is especially dry, you may need to fill the top water reservoir more than once. We recommend watering the planter's pockets directly with a light mister or water wand until seeds germinate. You may also want to water through the GreenStalk's top water reservoir during this time to make sure soil stays moist and encourage roots to grow deeper once germination occurs. Now, we don't recommend adding a cap to any part of the GreenStalk vertical planter. The center hole in the top water reservoir allows water to flow to the tiers below. If you are using a GreenStalk mover, you may use the included black cap to collect water in the mover base, but only for a limited time. How often you need to water will vary widely by your location, time of year, weather, and crop planted. In Knoxville, Tennessee, we expect to water our summer crops such as tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers at least every 1 to 2 days. In the fall and spring, we may only have to water every 1 to 2 weeks. We recommend checking your plants daily to determine watering needs and to make sure they're not in distress due to disease or pests. You'll want to water your plants when the soil begins to dry out. If you let it dry out completely, your plants may become wilted and stressed. Check on your plants daily and feel the potting mix. This will help you determine whether or not you need to water your GreenStalk garden. If your soil is difficult to rehydrate, or if you're using fresh potting mix that is especially dry, it may be helpful to saturate your soil at the tier level in addition to filling the top water reservoir. When potting mix becomes too dry, it may take several attempts to hydrate before the soil becomes appropriately saturated. And that's all you need to know about watering your GreenStalk vertical planter. For more information, visit our website at greenstalkgarden.com or contact us if you have any questions.